So let's talk best practices. How do you succeed at this? Don't solve the problem. We have a lot of problems. We always try to look at this as a singular problem. Clients come to us all the time. Joe, I just need to do this in Smartsheet. I'm like, cool, I don't care about that. Like, where does this start? Where does this end? Let's just talk about it. Again, we're going to solve your problem, but we're going to prep it for the future. So then you know phase 2, phase 3, phase 4, as you're going down the approvals later in life, you don't have to rebuild that entire solution from scratch, right? I've run into too many customers where they've hired people like off Fiverr or Upwork or anywhere where they're like, oh, I've got these issues and these problems. I'm like, I'm sorry, like we got to gut the whole thing. Like your architecture, your bones are not right. We need to fix it. So we try to make sure that we're always thinking ahead and backwards within the solution. So solve the solution, not the problem. So I always like to use this one. This is a fun one. Let's think of this as a pen. Michael can come up to me and say, Joe, I need a pen, right? His problem is a pen. Now I can give him a pen. That's easy. But I don't know everything tied to his question. Well, what kind of pen do you want? Like, does this have to be red ink? Does this have to be blue ink? Like, I need to understand, is this reusable? Do you want a clicker because it's like a fidget reason? Like, why do you want it? Okay, well, how am I going to get it? Like, am I going to make it? What's the backstory here? Or like, we buying it? Like, what vendors are going to be involved? Oh, I can keep going. This gets down the rope. Like, hey, who owns this task? Is this something like procurement? I have to get Michael a pen. I need to call procurement and I need to put an order in and I have to do these processes all tied to it. What department is that? Is this part of the PMO? Where am I charging this? What's the labor? Now again, he hasn't even answered me. Are we building this thing? Or like, are we buying it? Are we shipping it? Who's going to be tied to labor to do these things if I can't just go hand him a pen? Oh, wait, you want a pen because we want to sell it? Oh, okay, now we have a whole other conversation, right? So you can see this continues and continues and continues. There's a downstream effect to every ask of what you need. And a lot of times, if you're not looking at that big picture, you could get another application, do something else, change a process that has downstream effects that you didn't even think of. And again, now you're having your applications working against you again, when that was not your intent. So it's important to have those conversations. It's important to, and I stole this from Cicero and I told him, like, I'm using this from last year. This is mine now. Like, I'm going to use this all the time. It doesn't need to be this complicated, but the point is documenting the process and understanding where it needs to go, where it could go, all the way down to, let's talk about all the notifications that have to happen. And again, don't go too deep in the application or the notification world. Who sent notifications to people with Smartsheet and they just ignore them day to day, right? It's like my water reminder app on my phone. It's like every 20 minutes, like, Joe, did you drink water? I'm like, shut up. No, I didn't. And I'm not going to, right? Because it's just the constant there. I know it's there and I know I should be reacting on it, but it's too much. So there's a shift even there just to talk about efficiencies. Just because you could send a notification or a request for update, it doesn't mean they're going to look at it. I've had clients where I've lost hours with a couple people that are, nope, it's not working. I got to the point, I'm like, show me your Outlook. Like, this is where, I'm losing my mind. Like, I'm bringing other people in. I don't understand what I'm missing. Oh, they made a rule that shifts it into a folder or auto deletes anything from Smartsheet. And I go, I'm not your problem. He's your problem. It happens, right? So the only thing I can say when you're talking notifications, and this is, if you took anything out of all of this, just be like, I need to send less notifications. That's key. Use notifications for anything that's critical. If it's not critical, you have a change management issue. You need to get people to have the understanding of every day I should go to my dashboard and see what I need to work on. That's day one. Yeah, cleanup's going to suck. That's part of it. But once it's cleaned up, it's a 5-minute exercise. How many people have overdue tasks in their system and you're like, they're just been overdue forever, right? That's your cleanup work.